Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be the guest of honor at the Bastille Day parade in Paris today. All arrangements are in place for the launch of the third moon mission Chandrayaan at the second launch pad of the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota today. Flood-like situations and waterlogging today continued in few parts of the national capital. Union Electronics and Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnav will address the valedictory session of the G20 Conference on Crime and Security in the Age of NFTs, AI and Metaverse in Gurugram, Haryana today. In Wimbledon tennis, six-seeded Ons Jabeur has set up title clash with unseeded Marketa Vondrousova from Czech Republic in women's singles.